Hello and welcome to TopUp and Get Reward business presentation. If you have been searching for where and how to achieve your dream of financial freedom even in the middle of all this global economic uncertainty, your search is over. This is because I have found a workable system and a usual opportunity to leverage one of the fastest and ever reliable industry across the globe, which is the telecoms industry. All you need is to partner with this team of visionaries who strongly believe that money should never be the reason you can't get your wildest imagination to reality. Welcome to TopUp and Get Reward, TGR for short. To TopUp and Get Reward is a dedicated company through which the hidden financial treasures of telecoms get to people to gain their financial freedom and live the dream life. Our premier product is recharge cards, top-ups and payment systems, of all networks and different plans. Research conducted worldwide shows that it is one of the most frequently used products, globally. Trust me, our confidence is that our unique compensation plan will provide people with what they desire the most, namely financial freedom. TGR is a 21st century business designed and positioned to give all its members what they want, called financial freedom. I know you are thinking, is TopUp and Get Reward like every other top-up platform we have ever seen before? And the answer is no. TopUp and Get Reward offers a world-class service in terms of service delivery to all its users. And the commission paid out to all its members is amazing. That is why we have been named as the #1 in the industry. TopUp and Get Reward has also designed a never-seen-before compensation plan to enable all its affiliates and promoters to experience a massive level of wealth from this booming telecoms industry. There are 6 entry points that are affordable and everyone can afford to join immediately. We have the Diamond, which is 50,000 Naira. We have the Ruby, which is 40,000 Naira. We have the Sapphire, which is 30,000 Naira. We have the Emerald, which is 20,000 Naira. We have Coral, which is 10,000 Naira, and finally, we have the Pearl, which is 5,000 Naira. There are various benefits and earnings attached to each of the various packages. The point value, also called the PV, are different, as we all know that the more the entry value, the higher the point value attached. At TopUp and Get Rewards, for every airtime recharge you or your team member perform on our platform, you earn. You also earn 2% of all data purchases for life, and 40 Naira on all cable TV subscriptions activated on TopUp and Get Reward. You earn 1% on all NEPA bill payments and 0.15% on all your team members' recharge for life. There is quite a huge benefit for becoming a member of TopUp and Get Reward. This includes the monthly cash incentive, cars and travel, and lots more, which are also calculated based on your point value. As your team continues to grow, you will be able to achieve the following awards as a member of TopUp and Get Reward. And we already have lots of people already enjoying these various incentives. There are other many non-cash incentives you qualify for here as a member of TopUp and Get Reward. And don't forget that from you are only converting your day-to-day activities which you have been doing before now and never got paid for into money. There is a popular saying that poor means passing over opportunity repeatedly. The opportunity of a lifetime lies in the lifetime of the opportunity. I know you are asking, how can I become a partner with this simple and rewarding, great company called TopUp and Get Reward? What I want you to do right now is to contact me right now with this information on your screen. I will explain to you further, answer all your questions, and I will be happy to share our team game plan on how to make over 10 million Naira within the next 90 days from this amazing platform called TopUp and Get Reward. Thanks for your time. And thank you for watching.